Okay, guys, welcome to part two of White Noise. And yeah, the other one stopped on 6 minutes and 44 seconds. Sorry about that.
Ah, shit, he's over there. Okay.
Oh, he's over there, right?
We didn't, on part one, we did not do nothing else. We just walked around a little bit more.
Yeah, but it's the dangerous stream or nothing. That would be funny. Them.
We got I think it's shot.
I shot him uptown. Oh god, he's up there.
Stay right there. Oh my god, it's fucking.
Got it.
Go back. I don't know, that's what I keep hearing. Sounds like metal dropping. Fucking scary metal. Oh shit, he's on the left.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
That's the one. That got that.
Fucking library.
Yeah.
Go left, go left. Come on, let's go left.
Maybe you can say to the doctor we'll find something. I saw something. There's a secret room in there. Sammy saw it.
I mean, found the jail cell.
Oh, UFO. A UFO.
Crystal! No, evil thing in the world. Now I feel like eating the pickles. Oh, maybe the UFO has pickles behind it. Maybe Sammy is the idiot that knows the
I got it, I got it. Let's go this way. Oh, we're in the office. Good. Everybody, we're in the office. Everybody split up and find the recording. I got it.
Where did I go?
Go to that door. Go to that door. Go to that door. Come on, this door. Come on.
Oh shit, you let it right in front of me. Oh fuck that, gotta go back. What the fuck was that about? Are you behind me?
Has he ever died?
No, are you behind me?
Yeah, I'm right behind you. Has he ever died?
How the fuck did you know?
Okay, guys, I think that'll be it. Everything, I don't know what happened. Might have lagged out or something. I'm not sure. So, yeah.